Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see how we can install MySQL in Mac operating system. First of all, we'll go to a browser and we will type MySQL and we will go to the first link that will come here. We'll scroll down, we'll go here in MySQL community downloads. We have a lot of option to install MySQL, but we have to go to the community server. So here it will automatically detect your system. So in this case, it is macOS. And here latest version will come here. There are two types of installer that we have. First one is the ARM one and the second one is x86. So if you are using the M1, M2, M4 chips, then you need to install the ARM one, and if you are using the Intel, you need to install this x86 installer. So here I'm using M4 chip, using M1, M2, M4 chips, then you need to install this one. To click here on download. You don't need to here login or sign off. You just need to this no thanks. Just start my download. It will start downloading. So when this download will finish, just need to click here and you need to double click here. You need to allow. So here's the installer. Just need to continue. It's a license. You can read it if you want, but I'll continue here and I'll agree. So we'll install for all the user. If you want, you can change the installation location, but there's no reason to change it. So let's just install to the default location. And here we need to provide our password. Here you need to give a password for the root user. So you need to remember a password that you will provide here, because whenever you'll try to connect to your MySQL client, it will ask for this password. Just remember this password. You need to enter your system password. Installation is completed. We will move this installer to the bin. Now we can check whether whether it is started or not. You need to go to the system settings. And if you're not able to find it, you can go to the search button, and here you can also search for settings and you can open it. So here if you'll scroll down, see there's a MySQL coming here, right? You can see this MySQL is running currently, and if you want, you can stop that as well. And you can uninstall from here. So let's go to the terminal, try to connect to our MySQL client by giving this command MySQL. So we need to enter this command, and most probably you will see this error dot ZSH command not found MySQL. You need to add your MySQL in your .jshrs folder, and not folder, it's a file. First of all, if you want to see if it is there or not, just type this command. And here you can see .zshrc file is already present in my Mac operating system, but it is, if for you it is not available here, you can create it. So how you can create it? You just need to touch .zshrc. So it will create the .zshrc file. But in this, for us, it is already created. But if it is not created for you, you can just enter this command and just press enter. So now I will open this file after that. So it is open. need to provide a path for MySQL where it is installed. So, so I have that path handy with me. So I will copy it and I will also provide this in the description. You can find it there. You go back to a text editor and we will need to provide this path here. And you can change this path. You can actually view this. We need to provide the bin path, the bin folder path of our MySQL. You can check in your machine as well where it is located. So you need to go here in our search folder. You just need to search /user. So you need to open this folder and you can see here your local MySQL. So in MySQL in bin folder, you need to copy this path. And if you're not able to see this path here, you just need to go to the view. Here it's a hide path bar. You can see show path bar. Let me hide it. Now path bar. So here path is visible. You can right click here and copy bin as path name. And you can go here and you can paste this path. Slash coming. Let me just remove one here. Now just you need to save this path with command S and you can close this file. We will go back to our terminal. Now our path has been updated in our .shrc file, but you need to reload that file or refresh that file in order to see the changes. So let me just write this command source set shrc. This will reload our file. Now we will type the same command MySQL -u root -p to connect to our MySQL server. Now this will work. Now you'll need to enter your password that you have created while installing MySQL. You've created one password, right? I have told you to remember that. You need to enter that password, not your system password. So when you will enter that, that MySQL will be client will be opened and it is connected. You can run the MySQL queries here. They run show databases. So there are some default databases that are created and you can create databases from here. Create database. Let me create a demo database. We have missed the database spelling. Base demo created. You can again it is created. So demo is coming here. How you can install MySQL in your system. But apart from MySQL, you'll need to, you can install the MySQL workbench as well that I'm going to install in this video because that's a interface, the graphical interface for MySQL that you don't need to open your terminal and then write command all the time. Now let's just try to install MySQL workbench. Do the same thing. We will search MySQL download. We will go to the website. We will again go to the MySQL community downloads. And here you can see we have MySQL workbench. Just need to click here. It will automatically detect your operating system. We are installing for Mac. And this is same here. If it is your M1, M1, M2, M4 based chip, then you need to install this ARM installer. And if it is an Intel based processor, then you need to install this one. So I'm going to install the first one, and here no thanks, just start my download. So it will install the MySQL workbench for us. So it is downloaded. Let's just click on it. and it is very simple to install that. You just need to drag it to your application, and it is copying your MySQL workbench to your applications. It will take some time. Now it is installed. You can just double click here. You just need to open this. Here you can see the local instance 33006 is the default port. If you click here, you will need to enter the password that you have created while installing the MySQL. So I'll enter that password. This is a connection warning. Just continue anyway. And yeah, here's the interface. Here you can do the same thing like databases. Here you can write your command and you can select this. So here the databases are coming. And there's an interface. If you want to create some databases, you can create from here as well. There are a lot of things you can do this. So yeah, this is how you can install MySQL and MySQL Workbench in your Mac operating system. Thanks for watching.